the AI chatbots that is causing a lot of controversies on the internet. Others say it's good because it's going to change the way we search for information on the net. However, some people are also complaining that it's bad because it's going to make individuals obsolete. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once more again. And today our topic is going to be on ChatGPT.
Niggas in my grill trying to phase me.
In this video, we will be discussing what ChatGPT is, how it works, and some of the ways it's being used today. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Simply put, ChatGPT is a machine learning model that has been trained to generate text. It is based on the GPT, that is the generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which uses deep learning to analyze and understand large amount of text data. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. This is achieved through the use of a neural network, which has been trained on a massive data sets of text from the internet. The model is able to understand the structure and context of the text, allowing it to generate text that is similar in style and tone to that of a human. How does ChatGPT work? The model is trained using a process called unsupervised learning, where it is fed a large data set of text and learns to generate text on its own. The model is then fine-tuned using a smaller data set of text that is specific to the task it will be used for. One of the most interesting applications of ChatGPT is in the field of natural language processing, or NLP. So NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of NLP tasks such as text generation, language translation, and text summarization. In order to access this ChatGPT, open your browser. Okay, it doesn't matter the kind of browser you're using. Open your browser and then just type ChatGPT in your URL. Okay, when the interface pops up, log in with your Google account. So here we are going to enter our query. We are going to tell the chatbot, so we are going to ask me any questions, and then we see the kinds of response it provides. In this scenario, I'm going to ask the chatbot to write an article. Just type in your query and then you click enter. So the chatbot is going to search and then to provide to all the necessary information that you need on more nutrition. Guys, you can use this to do a whole lot of stuff. Okay, you can use this to write articles, you can use it to write essays, you can even use it to write codes. So you just enter your query and then the AI will do the rest for you. Another area where ChatGPT is being used is in chatbots. With its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can have natural conversations with users. These chatbots can be used in customer service, e-commerce, and other industries where human-like interactions are very important. ChatGPT also has potential applications in the field of content creation. The model can be used to generate text for articles, social media posts, and even entire books. This can save time and resources for content creators and also open up new possibilities for creating unique and personalized content. In a nutshell, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that has the ability to generate human-like text. It has a wide range of applications in natural language processing, as chatbots and content creation. As the field of AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for ChatGPT in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions on ChatGPT, kindly leave a comment in the comment section and I'll respond to it. See you in the next one.